Right here.
Thank you, Soren.
So everyone has to be custom. And every picture hanging on the wall has to be funny.
For the last time to dream the rest of my stint and wake up at the gates, roused by the smell of the roses, petals that fell from the Garden of Eden. I'll be down on my knees, grateful that I was allowed in this dream, even if it's not real. Give me the strings and I'll strum them real soft, but the sound will pierce the thin air like a siren of hope, calling men to shore. Yes, I know life, it can't be escaped till you decide you can die. But I'm not that great at doing the things that I needed to do, and I'm asking, hell, I'm begging you, can't you? We're all just trying to find our way back home. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I am at the mercy of your love. By the river, in a little tent, oh, just like the river I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know change won't come. Oh, yes it will. I'm afraid to die. I don't know what's out there to be. I say, brother, help me, please. But he winds up knocking me down. Back down. Oh, my heart, I'm reluctant to start. We've been fools before. The night is like a lovely tune. Beware, my foolish heart, how bright the ever-constant moon. Take care, my foolish heart. That's hard to see on an evening such as this, for they both bring the very same sensation. When you're lost in the magic of a kiss, her lips much too close to mine. Take care, my foolish heart. end is near.